put up for the children.
That's right. And one, I tell you, I said, man, but don't you understand what's happening? That doggone man is making compete against each other. They compete. See, other words, when a person comes to the election table, if they got put $50, $100, whatever it may be, so everybody can see it.
So everybody can see what they did in front. What they did, yeah. They ain't really doing nothing.
But then you're gonna turn around and make the next man, the ignorant part, try to compete with this guy. See, you put them gangs together.
So if he watch him put 50, he want to put 60.
You see, well, you got to do higher than that guy, and all this kind of stuff.
I'm gonna tell you something that blew my mind one day. I literally watched a preacher have like an auction in a church. He said, who can give me 100? No, okay, whoever give me this, who can beat brother, sister Thomas? This 200 brother Thomas just gave me. Anybody can stand up.
Did you see what the Smith family's done? $100 and you got another, whatever, 8 or 9 children competing against this guy. Look, like I got 4 kids, and I said, I'll kill you.
I got 4 kids. I got to take care of my kids. I can't play no games like this with you, And that's one thing that hurt me about, the Black community church.
You're going to take from the house to give to. Yeah. You take some of this out of this house, I'm going to kick both of you.
Yeah, I mean, because if you think about it, it's just like the saying, if the man and the woman, the husband and the wife or whatever, the family can walk out and they look nice, but then you turn around and you look at their kids and their kids ain't right. That's to me what the Black church reminds me in the preacher, because it looks good, but the community around it don't look good. And to me, they ain't taking care of the people.
There you go.
That's what it's about. Ain't about that building. To me, the building should look bad and the community should look good. In that case, it should be flip-flopped around. But we show, like you say, we see a lot of that and the money going straight in their pockets.
So, when I received my engineering license, working a big paycheck, and she's dressing better, driving a nice car, and we live in a little bit of comfort.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to show up. You got to go to church every Sunday with a dress on that you got $300-400 and all this kind of thing. And then there's the poor people over there can't hardly. You got to down the aisle, Hey, baby.
Just rubbing it in their face.
And I got a call one day. It's a man. He's prepared. He said, you better watch yourself. Wait a minute. He said, he's out in the kitchen. Who's out in the kitchen, man? And the deacon boy was out in the kitchen. Now, the preacher told him, you got to get him out of the way. And somebody was just knock me out. But the Lord is good. He put it in somebody's mind
to get to you to say, hey, keep your eyes up. And you know what? God gonna always watch over his people.
And I've been doing good ever since.
Yeah, look at you, John. You done made it. You sitting here now. You in your what you about 85, 84 now? And you lived a good life.
My birth, 80. Yeah.
And I mean, it's a blessing.
You taking no mess out there.
You raise your kids and your grandkids,
college,
and your great grandkids. Man, a man couldn't ask for no more. Couldn't ask for no more.
I told my wife, I ain't taking it off you. I ain't taking it off.
What up?
Hey.
You about ready?
Yeah, I'm waiting on Auntie to get up.
Yeah, I think she moving